Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're looking at a massive shift that is completely revolutionizing how we build complex automated workflows. We're focusing squarely on how AI assistants build workflows. And I mean not just helping us out, but actually planning, testing, and fixing them. If you're someone who loves efficiency, you are going to be absolutely fascinated by this.
I mean, seriously, why drag nodes around to build an automation if everything can be done by just talking to an AI agent? For years, building workflows meant meticulously dragging, dropping, and connecting all those little boxes on a screen. But we're crossing a huge threshold right now. We're moving from manual assembly to conversational building, and it honestly changes everything about how fast we can scale our ideas.
Okay, let's dive right into this, because there's a pretty wild rumor going around the tech space. You might have seen this exact quote floating around. NNIN is dead because of Claude code. Well, today we are fully debunking that. External AI agents haven't killed automation platforms at all. Actually, platforms have evolved to utilize AIs like Claude as highly integrated tools right alongside their existing infrastructure. So they aren't competing, they're combining to create something way more powerful.
So, here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the automation evolution. Then, we'll introduce the integrated AI assistant. After that, we'll break down building workflows from scratch, check out the test and fix loop, and finally, look at expanding the AI agent.
Section 1. The Automation Evolution.
Think about how we actually got here. In the past era, we just had basic AI chat, like Ask NNN AI. It was basically a smart friend you could call for minor Q&A and debugging. Then, in the recent era, we got the AI Workflow Builder. It generated entire workflows, which is great, but you still had to go in and manually iterate to actually make them work. Then the transition era introduced the MCP server, giving external agents tools to perform actions. But this created a massive context problem. The external AI was constantly fetching just to figure out what was going on inside the workflow. And that brings us to the present era, the integrated AI assistant, which plans, builds, tests, and iterates entirely inside the platform.
Section 2. The Integrated AI Assistant.
Think of an external AI like a totally out-of-the-loop freelancer. Every single time you ask them to do something, you have to explain the entire company history, the processes, and the tools completely from scratch. But the integrated assistant, that's your internal team member. They already have full access to the company's processes and the whole workflow context. They know your system from the inside out.
And because it's an internal team member, it comes with some incredible core advantages. The test and fix loop is completely closed and stays inside the platform. It requires zero initial setup to get started, and yeah, it is even compatible with self-hosted instances. It goes way beyond just building. It actively manages your executions, credentials, data tables, and nodes. It can literally even run web searches to double-check its own logic. Ultimately, building inside an observable, secure platform is just far superior to relying on some mysterious black box where you can't even track what's happening.
Section 3. Building workflows from scratch.
Let's look at a specific use case. Fetching scheduled posts from Notion, formatting the images, and publishing them to LinkedIn every day. Step 1 is easy. You just select a template prompt. But step 2, this is where it gets crazy smart. The AI knows it lacks context, right? So it actively asks you clarifying questions. It asks things like, which LinkedIn profile? How are the images stored in your Notion? What time should this run daily? Once you answer, it builds out the visual nodes. Step 3 is just configuring your credentials securely in the platform. And step 4 is letting the AI execute and iterate. You're essentially just managing the AI while it does all the heavy lifting for you.
And here is a massive feature. The assistant maintains a macro-level understanding of your different projects. It isn't stuck inside just one single automation tunnel. It can create multiple workflows and actually share context between them, meaning it truly acts as a comprehensive manager of your digital operations.
Section 4. The Test and Fix Loop. So what happens when things break? How does the AI handle failure? In our example, the workflow initially failed. Now, did the user have to drag a bunch of nodes around to fix it? No, they just prompted the AI to fix it. The AI autonomously executed the workflow to see the output, identified missing Notion input fields, and resolved them. When the user asked to save posts as drafts, the AI actually did a web search to verify the LinkedIn API limitations. It even spotted edge cases, warning the user that missing images would break the whole workflow. My absolute favorite part? It read a cannot read properties of undefined error code, diagnosed the problem, and autonomously added a download image node to fix the data flow. And all the while, it routinely asks the user for execution permissions. Allow once, or deny, making sure it never goes rogue.
We all know that agonizing pain of hunting down a hidden error that breaks a crucial automation. Having an assistant that serves as an active co-pilot to catch those obvious but sneaky edge cases is an absolute game changer. It completely takes the frustration out of the testing phase.
Section 5. Expanding the AI agent.
2 minutes and 23 seconds. That is exactly how long it took for the AI assistant to build a brand new Telegram AI agent. This new agent was designed to brainstorm ideas with the user on Telegram and then automatically save those ideas directly to the Notion content calendar we built earlier. Just 2.5 minutes to build an entirely new branch of the ecosystem.
Let's break down exactly how that expansion happened. You prompt the AI, like in step 1. In step 2, the AI is so context-aware that it automatically identifies you already have Telegram credentials in your platform and just applies them for you. In step 3, the user tests the Telegram chat, asking it to prep a post for July 25th. Now, step 4 is pure magic. The user pauses the AI to manually swap the AI model they're using. Meanwhile, the workflow encountered a save error with the standard Notion tool. And how did the AI respond? It diagnosed the failure and adapted right there on the fly.
The most crucial point here is this: the system adapts. When the standard out-of-the-box Notion tool failed to save the data correctly, the AI didn't just throw an error and give up. It autonomously replaced that tool with a custom API fetch to get the job done. This is the real aha moment. The workflow actually learns. And as more users deploy these systems, the AI's decision-making regarding which nodes or APIs to use is just going to continuously improve.
We've seen a massive leap today, from the old days of manually dragging nodes and digging through endless error logs, to simply conversing with an integrated AI that builds, tests, and fixes its own logic. It is an incredibly exciting time for focused learners and builders alike. So I'll leave you with this provocative thought. With this level of autonomous power right at your fingertips, what will you build next with your integrated AI assistant? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll catch you next time.